All right, hey guys, this is the second part of BoxPlot. If you did not watch the first video of just my phone, please go watch that first because it's going to show you where to get these 5 points. If you don't have those 5 points, then you won't know what to do. So once you have your 5 points, which is your min, your Q1, your median, your Q3, and your max, you are now ready to create your BoxPlot. So I'm going to start making it. When you make your line, make sure that you are consistent. Since my min's at 24, I'm going to start my line at 24. And then I'm just going to go up by 2s. So 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. So that fits my entire points. So now I'm going to start making my dots. So my first dot's going to be at 24. I'm going to make it above the line. Next dot's at 28. Next dot's at 32. Then 35. And then 36. So what you're going to do is that with your 2 outside points is that you are going to connect them. So I'm going to connect this one. And I'm going to connect these 2. Then with my 3 middle ones, I'm going to make a box. Goes across. And goes across. And then with this middle dot, that you're going to go straight down. So that is how you construct a box plot. But there's other things that you need to know too. Something that the homework might ask you is to find the range. So in order to find the range of this box plot, you need to do max minus minimum, which in this case it is 36 because that's my max, minus my minimum, which is 24, and your range should be 12. They might also ask you for your IQR. Your IQR is Q3 minus Q1. So your Q3 is the end of the box. Your Q1 is the beginning of the box. So Q3 was 35. Q1 was 28. So that means your IQR is going to be 7. The last thing that you need to know is that each section of a box plot, no matter how big, how small, is always going to be 25%. So notice how right here, that is one section. That is 25%. This is the second section. That's 25%. 25% and 25%. So for example, let's say what percent of the data is in between 28 and 36. So I go to 28 and I go to 36. I notice that is 1 section, 2 section, 3 sections. Since there are 3 sections and each section is 25%, this is going to be 75% of the data. So you just need to count the number of sections and then multiply it by 25. If you guys have any questions, please let us know.